Usually, this error only appears once, but if it keeps coming back, here's how to fix it. First, begin by waiting an hour, check for physical drive damage, or use the system restore point. Now if the issue persists, run the startup repair utility. Just access it through the settings, click System, choose Recovery, then click Restart Now in the Advanced Startup. Now on the blue screen, choose Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, then choose Startup Repair to scan for and then repair the corrupted files. Next, update your disk controller by opening Device Manager, expand Disk Controllers, right-click on your driver, then select Update Driver. Now you have to let Windows search for updates, install them, and then restart your computer. Now if the black screen error disappears, the issue is resolved. But lastly, run the System File Checker and the chkdsk by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Enter the following commands one by one, then press Enter to perform a thorough system scan. That's how you can fix repairing disk error issues on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.